In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for getting a lot of dice on Monopoly Go. Here are 5 tips to help you get more dice rolls in Monopoly Go. The first tip that I have for you is to complete daily and weekly tasks. You can check out your daily tasks by clicking on the bottom left corner of your screen, which is labeled as wins. These tasks often reward you with extra dice rolls. Make sure to check and complete them regularly. So as you can see in here, there are 3 tasks for every sign in that you do on Monopoly Go that you'll need to accomplish to be able to get various rewards. The second tip that I have for you is to participate in events and tournaments. At the right side of your screen, you'll be able to find all of the events and tournaments that you can join. So as you can see in here, once you hit top spot for this tournament, you'll be able to get 2,500 dice rolls, and this will vary depending on your spot on the tournament. There are various tournaments that you can join on Monopoly Go. Make sure to join each of this to be able to get more dice rolls. The third thing that you can do is to collect stickers and complete albums. In the album section, you'll be able to find all of the albums that you'll need to accomplish. As you can see in here, the current album that we have is the Marvel Go. Once I click on any of this album, I'll be able to check the reward once I complete one of these albums. So as for the Muscle Builders album, I'll be able to get 200 free dice rolls and 1.42 million Monopoly Go money. Gathering stickers and completing sticker albums can grant you a substantial number of dice rolls. The fourth thing that you can do is to claim free gifts and daily treats. Log in daily to claim free gifts and treats from the shop. This often include dice rolls and other useful items. And the last thing that you can do is to use multipliers wisely. So as you can see in here, this number are what we call the multipliers. When you have a specific goal like landing on a particular tile, use multipliers to increase your rewards. So as you can see in here, once I land on any of this, my rewards will be doubled. As you can see, this shields has been doubled for me along with the amount of money that I won for landing on this tile. And that's the 5 tips for getting a lot of dice rolls on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.